In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Turbotax app and guide you on how to use it for 2025. We all know taxes can be a daunting task, but with the Turbotax app, you can streamline and simplify your tax filing process. So let's dive right in and get you set up with the app smoothly and efficiently. First things first, we'll need to head over to the official Turbotax website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL turbotaxintuit.com. This takes you right to the homepage of Turbotax, where you can get started. The website is designed to offer a robust experience, whether you're using it on your computer or mobile device. Once you're there, we'll need to locate the download options. This step will allow you to install the app on your mobile device, making tax filing accessible anytime and anywhere. Now, after you've landed on the homepage, gently scroll to the bottom. You'll find options to download the app through the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play for Android devices. Choose the one that fits your device. This feature ensures that you have the flexibility to use the Turbotax app on whichever platform you prefer. Once you've clicked on the appropriate link, you'll be guided through the installation process on your App Store. It's a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts to download and install the app. This step is crucial because having the app on your phone can make tracking and managing your taxes much more convenient. After the app is installed on your device, let's explore how to harness its features effectively. To help you get the most out of Turbotax and navigate its various features, scroll back up on the Turbotax website. Look for the section titled Tax Tips, Guides, and Videos. This resource offers a wealth of information helping you learn at your own pace. Click on Start Learning to dive into this knowledge bank. Here, you'll find detailed guides and helpful tips on a range of topics, from basic filing instructions to more complex scenarios, ensuring that you're fully prepared to tackle your taxes. These educational resources are designed to be user-friendly, so take your time to explore and learn. The more familiar you become with Turbotax, the smoother your experience will be. Remember, whether you're new to filing taxes or you've been doing it for years, there's always something new to learn that can make the process more efficient. By following these steps, you'll have the Turbotax app downloaded and be on your way to mastering its use. Now you can file your taxes with greater confidence and ease. Thanks for watching, and happy tax filing!